Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie from Barbie Life in the Dreamhouse. I really love that show a lot. I used to like binge watch it. I don't know why. I'm like an adult. I still like Barbie. I don't care. Anyways, I'm going to remove everything except for the hair. I know I do this all the time, but I just use a lot of adjustments on it, so that's why I can't remember it all. So basically, I use this hair in this color DCA405F and this blonde 8D9F7E. For the adjustments, I didn't do anything on this one, but I toggled it to the back and no flowers. Then I used this hair from the Brat one, colored it DCA45F. In this adjustment, Y.56, Z.67, rotated at X.42, Y.49. And then I just used this ponytail here, the one that has like baby hairs, colored it C49253 and D89F7E, positioned it at Z.55, and that's pretty much it. I just moved it to the back a little. For the fit, why am I still posing? Hold on. For the outfit, I did use a VIP skirt, but you can layer it using non-VIP stuff. I used this top in this color in glitter. And then I used this skirt in the third toggle, and I used this color here, FF69F5 in silk for all of that. Because we just wanted to look a little bit more reflective. Then we're just going to put this on the fourth toggle in that same color in its silk. For the necklace, we're going to be using this one. I just knew that there was a second toggle, and I'm just going to color it this color for both of that, and I'm just going to get these earrings in white and in this pink, FF86BF. Then I'm just going to take these shoes and I'm going to color it this color. And then for the final like necklace, I'm just going to use this one in gold and pink. So this gold and this pink. Maybe this one so you can see it a little bit better. Then for the bracelet, I used the one outside just now, but there is another VIP one that looks a little bit more similar, which is this one, and I'm going to just color it in this gold color for all of it. Can't really see that much now, but there we go. You can kind of see it like this. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.